Hey, Welsh Metals here. I'm going to be dropping these couple of ingots today. These are EWaste Loaf ingots. That's a large one and a medium one to complete the set. I've made the medium one in the last EWaste silver solder video I made. And I will be recovering some material from this caked up crucible, which I'll need borax. Not much left. That's all that's left. There's about 3 grams in there of silver solder. So, let's do this. Move it a bit forward. The smaller ingots are still cooling, so I'll give them a little while. Pinch of borax. There we go. Don't need too much. There's already a little bit in there. Won't be using gloves for this, as I do not expect to be burned. Just using a little hand burner, nothing major, no extreme temperatures. This stuff melts at a couple of 100 degrees, not much. I use tongs to manipulate the crucible. That borax, as you can see bubbling away, is turning into a type of borax glass, similar to that little jar that I had the silver solder contained within. Very similar. Little bead there, as you can see. Just dial out the borax. Probably a bit more in there, let's get more heat. Yeah, I can see some more metal particles. I'm going to manipulate that some. Very sticky borax. There's liquid in the middle. Nice. Liquid glass. Subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram and Twitter, there's lots of interesting pictures there. I will post quite a few also of this. Should be a quick video. Just recovering this small bead of metal from my caked up crucible. And I'll drop them ingots at the end of the video. Nice liquid pool of glowy borax. Little bits of metal in there all over the place. Try and get them to alloy to that bead in the middle. Good. See that little bead of metal? Pour that just on the edge of the bread pipe here. Just recover some nice metal material. There we go. Melt the borax back in. Oh, there's still a little bit stuck. Damn it. Come on. There we go. That flew off the edge. I got it. Right here. I'll grab that. Still some metal particles in there, but not many. Hard to focus with the amount of infrared. That will do nicely. As you can see, it quickly stops glowing, cools quite fast, and then the borax will start cracking. But it'll make a nice surface to pour off in the future, which is what I wanted. Got that little bead of metal there. I recovered from the boraxy material, and there was another one that fell on the back. There we go. Or is that it? No. That's a different piece of metal. Glossy material. Got those 2 ingots here also. We'll be dropping them now. Ooh, my phone is very, very hot. This is the kind of gas that I was using. This is just a camping gas type stuff, a camping stove. And a crappy burner. Although these need modifying. These screws here, they nearly always fall out due to not very good Chinese construction. So I've replaced the screws with longer, better screws. That way the plastic housing won't just fall to pieces. As you can see, these are quite shiny. Hopefully they will be shiny on the other side also. It's quite hot, but not insanely so. Yeah, not too hot. There we go. Well, one has come out perfectly, the other has a small defect, which I will get rid of. Look at that. Very, very nice one, that one. This one has a small ditch upon it, the larger bar at the top here. Hard to see, there we go. It's look quite hot. I will remelt that in order to get rid of that nasty looking ditch. I'll just remelt it straight back into the crucible. Have that one though, there, that medium bar. Check how much that weighs. So. It weighs less than expected, 8.18 grams. Expected it to be about 9. Fair enough. Just under 3 ounces, 0.3 ounces. Still a nicely formed bar, as you can see. Most likely keep that due to its nice uniform shape. This won't take long. Melt back in, as you can see. do. Leave it that a sec. Now it says just under 9 grams. Got a feeling my scales were not set correctly. Fair enough. That makes sense. So 0.3 ounces. Good. Check that again. There we go. So same weight as the other 2 bars that I've made of the same dimensions. That'll take a little while to cool. It's already started to deform. It's cooled very quickly, in fact. Must be quite clear. That's not going to take long to cool at all. Yes, I'm in my kitchen. The reason for that is it is exceptionally windy outside. And that doesn't make for good blowtorching, as it will blow out both my blowtorch and my lighter for lighting it. So rather than go through all that daftness, stupid stuff. Okay, that is solidified. You know, seems to be jammed in there. That does happen. I'll use a glove. That way I can grab the mould and smack it to release the back. Ooh, the mould is still incredibly hot. There we go. No, still got a defective paper on it. See that? Troubles. That happens. Right then. So, the large bag isn't coming out as easily as I expected. Dropping. So, don't think re-pouring it may help, but we will try. Might as well. Still a good amount of time left for the video. Re-pouring. Turn the temperature down a bit. Borax has made a nice surface for it to float upon. Then it will just go off. You get it? There you go. Nice. Get the bar nice and shaped. Get some heat upon it. Let that cool. Seems to have a bit of a nasty shape towards the end. Fix that. Metal was in a weird formation. Little bit of dross on there, should clean off. Usually just wipes off with a bit of steel or wire wool. That's the thin stuff, not the extremely coarse stuff. I'll just mince meat the bar. Cooling rapidly, or at least it should be, due to the fact that there's only one bar within the mould. Look how much that little nugget weighed. 0.012 of an ounce. No, 0.011, it's changed. Not much at all. That's an alloy of various metals extracted from the borax. Unsure what, but I'll probably add that to a mystery metal bar in the future. You've seen them. If not, check them out. They are interesting. I have a few videos on mystery bars making. Mystery alloys. Is that cool yet? Nope. Still wobbling around, something fierce. Clean this bar. See what it looks like. While that cools. Cleaning up nicely. Okay, try that. Oh, that's shiny. Very nice. Look at that. Camera can barely pick up its insane shininess. That's high in tin and silver, most definitely. Due to the epic brightness. See if I can get a better angle on that. It's not focusing very well. There we go. Very nice reflection on that. On the sides also. Nice bar. I will stamp that. This is still cooling. This is just cooled. Small defects have appeared. I'll get rid of them. And then drop the ingot shortly. Just removing defective shapes, craters within the bar caused by not alloying properly. Seems to be some heavy aircraft up there today. It is locked down. Lots of heavy military aircraft around lately, especially in my city. Lots of large C-130s and helicopters. Still quite hot. Back. Haven't done that in a while. Nice angle to drop the ingot from. Get a nice view. still very hot. Hopefully this will be the one. Nope, large hole within it again. Wow, these large bars do not want to form nicely. Well, I will attempt that again and post the results in the thumbnail on my Twitter and Instagram until I get this bar with a nice perfect shaped top like this one. It has to be smooth, no craters. So I'll see you then. Check out my Instagram and Twitter as well as the thumbnail of my YouTube video. So the next making of e-waste bars